Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new folder on a Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just right click inside of an existing folder, or perhaps on your desktop, like in today's tutorial, just right click in a blank area and then select new folder. At this point you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it new folder. And there you go, guys. You can see we have now created a new system folder here. And if you ever wanted to actually go ahead and rename it, you can just right click on it and select rename. But you can see our folder has been created here. See the contents of it. So if I close out of here and if I right clicked on the folder, you can see we have the option to rename it like I said. You also have additional options such as changing the color of the folder, duplicating it, getting different sort of property information about when it was created, modified, that kind of thing. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.